Hey guys, thank you for watching this video. Today I'm going to be talking about the importance of LinkedIn in your life. Okay, as you all know, today in today's situation where we are under the COVID attack, more millions and millions of jobs have already been lost across the globe, and whether it's India or whether it's any other country, people are insecure and fearful everywhere of losing their jobs. So the best advice that I would give everyone right now is stick to your current jobs, but of course, if you are seeking opportunities and if in this scenario you do want to move forward, then I suggest that move only through credible sources so that you are able to sustain your next job in the long run. So one is you need to be very careful about which country you want to move to if you're really looking for overseas jobs, or if you're looking for a job within India, then make sure that whoever is getting you the job is a credible source and the projects are going to stay forever so that you don't lose it in between. Well, my name is Nandini Aragar and I'm a digital entrepreneurship coach. I've written more than 1,000 LinkedIn profiles, 1,000 resumes. I've helped many people get their dream jobs, by writing good resumes and great LinkedIn profiles for them. And right now, I'm a digital entrepreneurship coach, and I'm helping hundreds of students achieve their dreams and goals by teaching them how to become a digital entrepreneur through social media marketing, digital influence creation, and digital community creation. So I deal with everything to do with digital entrepreneurship per se. And whether you want to become a digital coach, or whether you want to become a digital marketing consultant, or whether you simply want to learn digital marketing, or if you want to automate your existing physical business, then my courses, my coaching programs are for you. Well, right now, in this video, I'm going to talk about why LinkedIn is very, very important in today's job scenario. In today's situation, first of all, the jobs are lean in the market. Okay. Secondly, people are losing jobs left, right, and center. Especially if people are losing jobs in the US, then there are more chances that the same may happen in countries like India. So in this situation, having a LinkedIn profile is very important because one, most of the companies are advertising their jobs over there, if not on other job sites. Secondly, LinkedIn as a brand also helps you in setting up a business of your own if you really want to. Okay, I'll explain to you how. Okay, in the year 2009 and 10, I lost my job first. Okay, and after losing my job, I didn't know what to do. Okay, so I got back into my content writing career and I started as a freelancer. And then I started, I created my own website, and then I kind of did SEO on it. I learned everything on my own online, and then I set up a business around LinkedIn basically. So I set up a recruitment agency first, and then I moved back into writing, and then I moved into digital marketing full time. So now what has happened is I am good at so many things because of having done multiple things, and that too on my own. you know so right now I'm self dependent, and this is a very good time for me to actually leverage that. Why? Because across the world people have started realizing the importance of being active on LinkedIn, working on their own, working from home. Even people who are employed in corporate jobs want to work from home, and they have no choice, they have to work from home now. So many people are actually looking to switch over to work from home jobs, and many people really want to set up online businesses as well. So I'm helping individuals in doing both. Now, LinkedIn plays a very crucial role in my profession as such. Why? Because I have more than 18,000 connections. All my leads every day, okay, come from LinkedIn for free. Okay. I don't even have to advertise a single penny on LinkedIn advertising, and I get all my leads for free because I know how to do that. And because I have been active on the network for many, many years, okay, for me, the leads are generated automatically. The third thing is I'm pretty good at writing. So obviously I know the skills of LinkedIn publishing and combining my own blogging skills with my LinkedIn publishing skills. Okay. So as a result of that, synergistically, everything brings together my leads every day, and I am able to continue with my business despite this low time in the market. Okay. Now, why I suggest every job seeker to learn LinkedIn is because one, they can apply for jobs at this point in time. Okay. And they can connect with CEOs, vice presidents, senior business leaders through LinkedIn, and they can actually create influence on the LinkedIn networks, and they can actually start building a name for themselves and a brand for themselves. Thirdly, they can start writing articles on LinkedIn, and once again, spread the word about awareness about whatever, is their subject matter. Fourth, they can create a website alongside, combine it with LinkedIn and promote themselves. Five, they can actually set up an online business if they want, because LinkedIn as such is not just a platform to find jobs. It is also a platform where you can find leads for your business, right? It's also a platform where you can increase your increase your influence and connect with more number of people and become more and more active day by day. And the more you're active on that network, more recognition you get. Jobs start coming your way automatically. Advertisers start approaching you, right? More people come to you for buying your products if you have some products advertised over there. And the LinkedIn profile as such is such a strong identity for yourself, for that you can create for yourself, that if your LinkedIn profile is well written, if it is well defined, well written, if it is written to attract the right kind of people towards you, nothing like it. So me being a LinkedIn profile, right, I understand the importance of that network, because that network has helped me earn lakhs and lakhs of rupees, right? I have made more than 150,000 US dollars so far, sitting right at the comfort level of my home. And 95% of the credit goes to only one platform, and that's LinkedIn. And this is the reason I suggest every single person today, whether they are job seekers, whether they are entrepreneurs, whether they are students, or whoever they are, to start their own LinkedIn profile. Now, the thing is, many people don't really understand what LinkedIn is and how to go about, editing the profile even. And mostly when people come to me, right, I write the profiles for them, and then I give a comprehensive course for them, which they go through, and then they're able to understand what it is all about. So right now, because of the COVID situation, I'm giving away that comprehensive course over here at a 50% discount, only for a small price of rupees 999. Originally, the actual cost of that product is anywhere from 9,999, of course, with other bonuses, to somewhere around 3,999. Okay, so it's not 50% exactly. It's far more than that. I'm giving away like a big discount, and I'm offering this product only and only for 999 rupees, so that I can help more and more people become independent, more and more people learn LinkedIn and understand the various aspects of LinkedIn, and create a great branding and profile for themselves. So as you can see below, the different modules that are covered under it, they also come with focus activities. These focus activities are going to help you to completely comprehend, the different elements of LinkedIn and understand it in depth. And over and above this, if you have any doubts, I'm always available on email, and you can always reach out to me for for any doubts that you may have. And not just these 12 or 13 components that I'm talking about, LinkedIn actually is like an ocean. And the more you deeper you enter into that, the more you end up learning, and the more you end up gathering information. It's like a treasure house. It's literally like a gold mine. So I hope you just read through this entire page carefully, see what all is included in this offer. And if whatever I said resonated with you, if you really think you want to be secure at this point in time, if you really think you want to feel secure at your job, if you really want to think you have the time to master, learn something new that is going to add immense value for your life, learning LinkedIn is going to add value for the rest of your life. Trust me. Anywhere you work across the globe, okay, LinkedIn is your personal and professional resume. LinkedIn is not like Facebook or Twitter or Instagram or Pinterest, okay? LinkedIn is a unique platform, a platform that can help you learn immensely, a platform that can help you earn in lakhs and crores, okay, if not in trillions and millions of US dollars. Trust me, take my word for it. Even the biggest of companies, okay, advertise on LinkedIn. They have the business pages over there. They advertise their jobs over there. They receive thousands and thousands of applications over there. So if you understand the LinkedIn jobs platform, if you understand the LinkedIn learning platform, if you understand the LinkedIn publishing platform, if you understand how to, draft a LinkedIn profile for yourself, if you understand what is the LinkedIn summary, what are the LinkedIn groups, what are LinkedIn recommendations, what are LinkedIn endorsements, what are LinkedIn skills, okay, how to perform SEO for LinkedIn overall, okay, and how to map it with your own blog or your website, nothing like it. So this course specifically, will take you into a joyride. Okay, it's like a joyride. You just have to go through it, implement it step by step by step. And once you develop that interest, okay, you'll really want to go deep into the subject. And that's when magic will happen. When you start going deeper and deeper and deeper into LinkedIn, you not just create a branding for yourself, but you'll also at one point in time want to become an influencer. And you will understand that with more number of aggressive attempts you make at adding more connections, the more number of aggressive attempts you make at building those long term business relationships, your business, your earnings, your income, everything will multiply by many times, right? As I said, I have made around 150,000 US dollars in the past 4 to 5 years of my journey as a digital entrepreneur, and 95% of that money has come only from LinkedIn. Although I agree I have the writing skills and I know how to write resumes and LinkedIn profiles, but LinkedIn has given me much more than what I could have imagined. So this is my small attempt to help job seekers, to help entrepreneurs, to help women, to help students, okay, understand this platform in depth and familiarize themselves very well with this platform so that they can move forward and start utilizing it for bettering their career, for bettering their business, and for bettering their lives in general. So please, if you resonate with this, you know, go down, click the buy now button and get this course for a small price of 999. It's a very small price for this kind of value that I'm offering in this course. Trust me, anywhere, across the internet, across the web, this kind of a course will cost you anywhere between 10,000 to 15,000 rupees minimum. Take my word for it. Okay. And as I said, I'm also available on email. I'm also available on my Facebook page. I do have a Facebook group of my own. Please come join me there. You can ask me questions. Okay. Once you're into my hub, once you're one of my students, I'll give you a lot of discount offers on my other courses. I will send you special invitations for my webinars every week. And it will be a very pleasurable journey for you learning digital entrepreneurship. I can also help you in actually creating your own online business once you master LinkedIn. So please go ahead, click the buy now button and get this course so that you don't delay your success, right? Thank you very much.